Looking for a powerful free tool to clean your disk and protect your privacy? BleachBit is a fantastic open source alternative to CCleaner, offering deep cleaning for Windows and Linux systems. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use BleachBit and how it compares to CCleaner. Let's dive in. BleachBit is a free and open source disk cleaning and privacy tool for Windows and Linux. Think of it like a digital broom, sweeping away unnecessary files, freeing up disk space, and helping protect your personal data. Unlike some other tools, BleachBit doesn't nag you to upgrade or hide essential features behind a paywall. It's fast, lightweight, and trusted by users who value transparency and control. Just click on Download, then choose the version for your OS, Windows, or Linux. After the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts. Here's the main interface, simple and no fluff. You can clean browser caches, temporary files, logs, broken shortcuts, and more. For a quick clean, check boxes for browsers, Chrome, Firefox, system temp files, logs. Then click Preview to see what will be deleted. Hit Clean to free up space. Use File Shredder to permanently delete sensitive files. Wipe free space to prevent recovery of deleted files. CCleaner offers more automated features like scheduled cleaning and a startup manager, but many of them are locked behind a paywall. BleachBit is leaner and privacy-first without the extra noise. If you want a free, clean, no-nonsense tool for clearing junk and protecting your privacy, BleachBit is a great choice. Perfect for advanced users or anyone tired of nag screens. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what tools you use to keep your system clean.